Hey friends, welcome back to More with Marquita. Today I'm asking you to use your imagination and take a trip with me. Today we're headed to a French cafe where we're having warm biscuits, world famous hot chocolate, and creme brulee. Ooh, I know this creme brulee is about to be rich and creamy. I can't wait to dig in. Hold up, this ain't no creme brulee. It's a candle. This is the dollar store candle hack with Hobby Lobby wooden wicks. It's so pretty, and I want to show you all how I made it. It took me 14 candles to make one jumbo bowl candle. I used 12 from the Dollar Tree and then 2 of my candles that have just lost scent. And then I used a package of 3 Airwick Essential Mist. Next, I melted down every candle that I could find in white that had lost scent or that had no scent. Each brown sugar and vanilla Airwick bottle is 2.2 ounces, and the rule of thumb for candle making is 1 ounce of fragrance oil per 1 pound of wax. The bottles are 2.2 ounces, therefore we need 32.4 ounces of wax since there's 16 ounces in 1 pound. Next, I'm going to cover my candle pitcher with cheesecloth to strain out any debris or lint that may be in the candle, and then I'm going to wrap it with string to ensure that it stays in place. Wipe off your candle jar as you pull them out of the water to make sure no water gets inside your candle mixture. After straining my wax, I'm going to take off the cheesecloth and pour in my fragrance oil. Our wax and our fragrance oil are finally together. Next, we're going to use a popsicle stick to make sure the mixture is really mixed in well. It's finally time for our wicks. I love using wooden wicks because they sound and remind me of a fireplace. I made a mistake and used 2 wicks, but you actually need 4 if you're just going to use regular string wicks, or the wooden wicks you need to use 4. I melted 64.4 ounces of wax to pour into my huge glass bowl. I love Target's candle melts because to me they smell the best. So I'm melting those down to make the caramel for the top of my creme brulee. Now if you want to make it look like actual creme brulee, you could probably use something a little bit darker in order to get that effect. So you just want to melt it down, pour it on top, and then I'm going to use my Wagner heat gun to melt hot wax into my candle. I'm using regular craft scissors to cut my wicks down. You just want to have it a little bit above your candle. And voila, you have your jumbo creme brulee candle. Hey friends, so I'm actually up my stairs and I can actually smell the candle upstairs. So I would say it's a go. This is a 30-minute burn, and I love how it crackles like a fireplace. This is a 4-hour burn. We needed those 4 wigs. If you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Love you.